Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited to be reviewing and showing you my most recent order. Guess who it's from? It's from Craftysart. Oh, how exciting. I love showing these little like snack size pieces from these companies. Again, I do want to say when you're ordering, these are stock sizes. So 30 by 30, 40 by 40, 30 by 40. They do mass printing, mass packaging, and so make sure that you're picking out simplistic like images, because if you pick something out that's really complicated or has a lot of detail, you're not going to get what you want. Like for instance, this back here, I love my turtle. It's a 30 by 40, different things like that. So you can have beautiful artwork for a reasonable price. You just have to be selective on what you choose. All right, so it comes in the white envelope, and this is a 30 by 40, and I love it. It's this girl holding balloons. I just thought this was very colorful. I'll try to find the opening here for you guys. See how many colors it is. It is 19 colors. It has very simple symbols right here, numbers and alphabet. You can see the symbols are very clear. And it's just a girl in Paris holding these balloons. I think it's going to turn out super cute. There's a lot of color blocking over here. It's more of a color block than it is confetti, but it is very sweet. And these colors are very bright and colorful. I'm trying to see on here. It does not have the DMC numbers on the packaging nor on the canvas. That does happen with some of these stock images. And I'm not going to then keep the drills. My time is not worth trying to match them up. At one point I thought I would, but I'd rather diamond paint than try to match up the colors. So these colors are beautiful. This is a round. It's a nice snack image. You do get the drills. You also get the single placer with the wax and the boat and a few of the baggies. Does anyone else wonder why you only get 2 or 3 baggies? At one point I read it was because when I was doing research for my book, link down below, plus a discount, my diamond painting book, many of these companies suggest doing it color by color. So if you're only opening 1 or 2 colors at a time, that's why they give you the baggies, because they then don't expect you to keep the drills long term. They just expect you to need it for that 1 or 2 colors you're working on. Okay. Let's see what else I have here. Shipping is not bad for these. They just are able to pop them in. Alright, so I got this. I thought this daisy. One thing I like about this company is it did show you some of the photos, what it's going to look like. And then you can really know, am I going to get the detail I want? Am I going to be happy with it? Yes or no. Again, this is another 30 by 40. It has 20 colors. And isn't that pretty? Just something to sit while you're watching TV. Greens, blues, pinks, purples, a little bit of everything. The symbols are very simple. You can see very clear. It does not have, again, the colors, but it has some beautiful colors in here. You can kind of see through that. My lighting is not letting you see this very well. I'm trying not to take them out of the bag because I want to do some of these for giveaways, some of these for Christmas gifts to actually give undone for people to be able to do. And if I know that they are in good shape, then I can roll them up and give them for gifts for Christmas, right? Like here, instead of doing your homework, why don't you do this diamond painting? Alright, I'll figure that out later. It's like, ooh, it won't go in. Let's see what we have here. It's like Christmas. Okay, so I must have been in a flower mood, a pinky mood. Let's open this one and show you. This one does have the DMC colors on the actual canvas. It has 20 colors. And this is flowers. It's kind of like rainbow flowers. So I don't know how this will turn out. The ombre is a little bit blotchy. Not whatever you want to call it. The shading. But we'll see. I think I might change out some of those yellows to make it more soft towards the top, but we'll see. And then these colors are pretty vibrant. Again, this might be, I wanted to get some stuff for giveaways as well, but I also wanted some really cute things to choose from in case I was just in a place where I didn't want to do a big diamond painting. So you've got some really pretty colors here with greens and pinks and blues and purples. I'm going to put that away off camera. You also get the toolkit, as I've mentioned. Then we're going to do this last one. That was a 30 by 40 as well. Again, all these links to these are down below. Oh, this is a fall one. I wanted to get something for fall. It's a 30 by 40. Oh, there's a bug smashed in it. Ew. So isn't that cute? It's the white pumpkin that you see from time to time. It has 18 colors in it. I just thought that was kind of cute to work on. Something I could easily frame similar to this turtle. And you've got, I really like this red right here. It's like a burnt red. And then it's got some of the low colors in it. It does not have the DMC colors, but that's okay. I've got enough of those, and you get the toolkit. Alright, so I just wanted to show you just another sister company for you to pick out, Craftsyart. So check them out. I have the links to my particular paintings I chose down below. They are more of a inexpensive company to order from, and definitely again check out Simple is Always Better when you're looking at stock photos like these. So until next time, be blessed, have fun, happy diamond painting, bye bye.